Hi. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, text him Manuel.
Oh. You know what's funny?
Huh.
If she ever got in a fight with Michael, and he goes,
Wait.
no. And she says, you son of a bitch. He could just go, hell yes I am. I thought it was pretty good. I'm debating whether or not this should go on YouTube. Should it?
That was a good one, huh?
JJ, should this go on YouTube?
Yeah.
Ow. That's just spastastic.
See what I got? I got kitties.
You have kitties?
Kitties.
What are you talking about?
Mother.
Ooh. Oh, look. I think this is definitely going on YouTube. Yeah?
Look like
That's part of the reason why.
you made me mess up.
Do the chubby thing with the cheeks. Do it this way though.
Hi, my name is Chubby. My mom is chubby. My dad is chubby. And I'm chubby too. One day my mama said, smile for me, chubby. So I did.